Black cumin, Nigella sativa, a member of the Ranunculus family, is a plant whose seeds are used to produce black seed oil, Ranunculaceae. The black cumin plant is indigenous to Africa, the Mediterranean, and Southwest Asia. It has been cultivated for generations for its tasty and aromatic seeds, which are used both as spices and as herbal remedies. Another name for this oil is black cumin seed oil. Be cautious, since black seed shouldn't be mistaken for black pepper, black sesame, black cohosh, or real cumin, Cuminum cyminum. In this video, we will be looking into the health benefits of black seed oil. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Promotes liver health. One of the body's most vital organs is the liver. The liver processes almost all toxins, and its bile is essential for digesting fats and maintaining the well-being of your body and mind. Black seed oil could significantly expedite the recovery process for those who have struggled with poor liver function brought on by pharmaceutical side effects, alcohol consumption, or disease. In a new animal model study, researchers found that black seed oil enhances liver function and guards against damage and disease. 2. May help fight cancer. The black seed oil has been demonstrated to support the natural treatment of cancer. Using an animal model study, Croatian researchers examined the anti-cancer effect of thymoquinone and thymohydroquinone, and found that these two phytochemicals present in black seed oil led to a 52% reduction in tumor cells. Thymoquinone, the most prevalent bioactive compound in oil from black seed, has been shown in recent in vitro studies to assist in the induction of apoptosis, programmed cell death, in leukemia cells, breast cancer cells, and brain tumor cells. 3. Aids weight loss. The claims of black seed oil's ability to help with weight loss are supported by science. A systematic evaluation of the literature for plants with anti-obesity effects was published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Diseases, and it revealed that black cumin seed oil was one of the most potent all-natural therapies available. The results of at least 11 placebo-controlled clinical trials, which were summarized in Research That Review and Meta-Analysis, show that a black seed supplement can help people lose weight. 4. Reduces skin allergy. Moreover, black seed oil functions as an antihistamine, which lessens the unpleasant symptoms experienced by allergy sufferers. Excellent analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties are possessed by thymoquinone. Also a potent antioxidant, this aids in the removal of pollutants from the body. Black seed essential oil has antimicrobial properties and is excellent in deworming. Studies have demonstrated the anti-leukemic properties of black seed oil. 5. Strengthens bone. According to several studies, the powerful antioxidant qualities of black seeds and their volatile oil, or thymoquinone, can be explained by their anti-osteoporotic actions. A pentacyclic triterpene saponin derived from black seeds called alpha-herein has potent in vivo anti-tumor action. It boosts interferon production, shields healthy cells from detrimental invasion effects, and aids in the eradication of tumor cells. 6. Aids good sleep. A natural sleep aid is black seed oil. According to research, black seed oil can help people sleep better by removing sleep disorders. 1 hour before going to bed, people with insomnia can take 1 teaspoon of black seed oil and 1 teaspoon of honey in warm milk. You may use black seeds in a variety of dishes, including casseroles, stir-fries, salad dressings. Try them with lemon, cilantro, etc., baked goods, and salads. Thus, according to a number of researchers, the black seed oil is likely the most essential oil you can consume. 7. May reduce acne. According to some studies, black seed oil may be helpful for treating skin problems like acne. This might be because black seed oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. In one review article, Individuals who used a lotion made with black seed oil on an acne-prone area of skin experienced a significant reduction in acne lesions after 2 months. Similarly, participants in one research of 60 individuals were instructed to apply a topical gel containing black seed oil to their skin twice daily for 60 days. When compared to a control group, those who underwent this treatment experienced a 78% decrease in the severity of their acne, as well as a significant increase in the amount of acne lesions. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you know other health benefits of black seed oil, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comment section.